Limit the threat from unsanitary makeup brushes. You strive to achieve the best possible results for your client. Following beauty treatments like facials, waxing, and aesthetic procedures like chemical peels and injectables, it's common aftercare not to apply makeup for at least 24 hours. Whatever the treatment, aftercare is vital in achieving safe and successful results for clients. However, it's a worrying fact that there can be no control over what clients do when they leave the treatment room. Post-procedure skin has compromised barrier function, meaning it's more exposed and penetrable. Any exposed pore, nick, or injection site could be a potential entry point for harmful microorganisms. You may advise your clients to refrain from applying makeup after procedures, but can you guarantee they won't? Makeup brushes are a breeding ground for bacteria and viruses, which are transferred to makeup products and the skin in makeup application, posing a risk of infection and the compromising of treatment results, which is transferred to the skin in makeup application, resulting in irritated skin, compromised results, and infection. In 2018, there were 213 claims and 316 dissatisfactions reported to one insurance company alone relating to aesthetic treatment complications. A survey of 3,000 women found that 1 in 3 would not leave the house without makeup. 72% of women admit to never washing their makeup brushes. And 63% of products in personal beauty kits were found to be contaminated with bacteria. Adverse post-treatment reactions, dissatisfied clients, and complaints are distressing for all concerned, and the last outcome any conscientious practitioner wants. Limit the threat of post-treatment complications. Protect your clients and safeguard treatment outcomes for the best possible results by recommending IsoClean Makeup Brush Cleaner as an essential part of every aftercare regime. Essential brush care. Vital aftercare. IsoClean Makeup Brush Cleaner gently and effectively sanitizes brushes within seconds. Its ultra-pure, fast-drying formula kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses to safeguard against infection. The added aloe vera in IsoClean also conditions and softens bristles, leaving them soft to the touch and kind to sensitive post-procedure skin. No wonder it's the first choice for makeup artists and skin health professionals.